Hey YouTube and friends, today we look at a good diagram that I have made as of now and I'm explaining to you here. We have this diagram on the screen. So let's look at different portions of the diagram. We got access token, we got refresh token, we have JWT system. So these are the main portions of this diagram. So what is happening is that the user logs in with user data. It could be username, email, password. Once the login happens, it enters the JWT system and the JWT system does two actions in parallel. It generates an access token, it generates a refresh token. So don't be confused with the access and refresh tokens. Both are same format which JWT is using to do. And in order to get the access token, it is using access secret from the config file and refresh secret from the config file also. So the format output is the same, only we categorize it as access token and refresh token just for our functional usage, which I will explain to you in a short while. So first of all, we need to understand user logs in, it enters the JWT system, access token is generated with the help of access secret and also the user data. Refresh token is generated with the user data and refresh secret. So once that is done, there is an additional parameter that is being set here for the access token, which is time of expiry. It could be minutes, it could be hours, or it could be days, or it could be seconds. This is up to our usage and setting purpose. The time of expiry is set. The access token, remember that time of expiry is set on the access token, not on the refresh token. So what happens is that once the time of expiry is set, let's say 10 minutes, this user, once he logs in, immediately we will get back the access token and refresh token back to the login user. So what happens is that access token is set with the expiry, right? So let's say it was 5 minutes. So the user is able to log into the protected system, which I will show here in the next page. You can see here the protected page is here. So once the protected page is here, the user is able to log in with the access token, as you can see this path, for 5 minutes, let's say. So after 5 minutes, what happens? It times out, and hence user is presented with a forbidden. That means this page is not visible to the user anymore because his access token get timed out. And what will happen is that, remember we had a refresh token here. We got a refresh token and we have saved it there in the front end. So the refresh token is used to generate another new access token, and hence the authorization happens again and the protected page is visible for the user. Again the timeout happens. If we want, we can keep on doing this cycle, refresh token, then again get the protected page. So what finally happens, there should be an end for this flow, right? That is what is called the logout. Once the logout happens, the destroy access token and refresh token happens, and then the whole JWT system is closed out unless the user logs in again, like here. So that is the mechanism, guys. I hope it is very clear for you. So both are different channels or paths. So we have to go into coding and do the coding in the next episode. Thank you very much for watching my video. Please subscribe to my channel if you not yet subscribed, and like it as well. Till we meet again in the next episode. Bye bye.